What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Runner the Best.
And
today we got another video. So today we doing a little mukbang.
No, we trying a new food place.
Yeah. It's called the Buffalo Spot. So
yo, we didn't even look at our food yet.
That's what you got.
Yeah.
That's what I got. You know what I'm saying? The Buffalo Spot. And I got this too.
We got a Reese's milkshake.
Yes, sir. All right. I've been waiting to do this. Look, guys.
Yeah. He had to wait till we got here so he could do that.
Okay.
But I got the buffalo chicken fries. And I got buffalo chicken. You can get different type of chicken, whatever type of chicken you want. So, there we go. We've been posting, we've been recording. So, you have to get 2 different meats?
Yeah, I got 2.
Oh, wow. So, I should got barbecue. I'm going to try my my Reese's thing for this here. Oh, they got them good fries.
Good? It's a little cold. This was a little bit cold. If it was hot, it would probably be better, but...
Yeah, it is more fresh. I know it's not because we waited till we got here. We wasn't even far. We was literally up the street. But it's good though.
It's good, but it's not hot. It's like y'all could have...
I still taste that blood in my mouth. I don't like that. I feel like it's kind of messing with the taste.
These Reese's taste good. I don't like Reese's candy like that, but
Yeah, I was just gonna say you don't even like Reese's.
But this, like in the smoothie version, it's great.
It's a milkshake. But
Shit is torch.
y'all really been out here living like this.
You said doing what?
I wish y'all could see him eat. I'm so serious, y'all. Every time he eat, he drops something or he make a mess. So serious.
Well, from home. But you got some food at home. I don't get it.
What's this one?
I don't know. Yeah, Jamaican shit.
You got Jamaican jerk? No, mine better.
Buffalo chicken. Buffalo chicken is good.
No, I'm messing with it.
You say you mess with it?
They also have this Cali burrito. And I'm gonna try that next. I will go back here just to try like the other stuff. But if you in Vegas, this place is decent. It's alright.
Let's talk about Las Vegas, man. This place is crazy. I don't even know crazy shit be going on, but it's like, cause I be in the house. It's like stuff goes on, like it's like weird.
People die every day out here, dude.
No, they don't. Where?
Out here in Vegas.
Who told you that?
I watched the news.
They said people were dying every day.
Every day there's something. Someone's going to the hospital or someone died. Yeah, they had Hershey's, Oreo, banana.
City Rabbit Church for kids. We're going for Sprite. It's our low-key ones for Sprite.
They have some breads. I don't really drink breads like that anymore, but that sounded good. Cause they had the The pink breast.
Oh, the watermelon? Strawberry? What is it?
I think it's strawberry. I'm not bad. I just got a small. It's low key a lot. What did we eat today? Oh, I had pancakes first. And we were trying to go to this taco spot that they have out here. And he had tacos this morning. If y'all seen our vlog, you know he had tacos.
How are they gonna?
Because the vlog is gonna be uploaded before this video. Oh, we gotta go close out the vlog too. Oh, we didn't show the vlog our food. This is grossing me out because I have that taste of that blood in my mouth. I don't know how else to have it in my mouth.
Why is it so cold though?
That's what I'm saying. Like, what the heck? Like, it's just
I'm
missing.
gonna take this because it's too cold.
I think it's gonna make it worse if I put it in regular.
I give this place a 6 out of 10. What about you?
I'm not really gonna judge it, but like, just this meal. The chicken was about a 6. This is a 9. This is bomb.
This is a 9.5.
Yeah, it's about 9.5. So the place overall, I give it like a 5. It's like you said, I feel like it's just because. What did you say? Ah! I feel like it's because it doesn't taste as fresh.
Yeah, it's just like cold.
So like
the fries are kind of stale.
So
it's because it's not fresh.
Yeah.
I feel like the best time to go there is probably in the morning time when everybody's like really want to work.
Exactly, because they used to was seeming like, even like when we first walked in, they wasn't like, hi, they wasn't like welcoming or nothing.
Exactly.
And there was only 3 people in there.
That's how you know. That's how you know your food is gonna be good. If they're like energetic, the food's gonna be good. But if they're like lazy with it, it's not gonna be good. No good. But this is pretty good. No cap. Excuse me. Caramel in it too. Is Reese's?
No, that's peanut butter. That's peanut butter and chocolate. We're gonna have to work extra hard at the gym tomorrow. We ate so bad today. What did I say, y'all? You just spilled that on your pants.
But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe and we will have more videos coming up.